Hello and welcome to this review by Driven Automotive Consulting. This is a Peugeot 208 and it is absolutely gorgeous, but before we go any further, I would just like to send a special shout out to the Westvaal group, especially to Harry for organizing this car. If you are interested in a new Peugeot, Opel or Citroen, head over to Westvaal Secunda and tell them that you're referred to by Driven Automotive Consulting and you'll receive discounts of up to 40,000 Rand on your new car. They also have an amazing coffee station, so do pop by and just speak to them about anything car related and your next car purchase. The model you see on your screen right now is a Peugeot 208 GT and it is the top of the range of Peugeot's subcompact hatchback. Key rivals include the Hyundai i20N line, the VW Polo R line, and its blood sister from Stellantis, which is the Opel Corsa 1.2-litre turbo. On our channel, we do have a review of the Hyundai i20N line, so if you do have any thoughts on this car, head to the comment section and let us know what you think about it. Visual enhancements on the GT line include a 3-claw design in the headlamps as well as in the tail lamps. Glossy black details can also be found on the roof paint, mirror caps and wheel arches. This package is well rounded by sporty elements such as 17-inch alloy wheels and twin chrome exhaust pipes, which gave off a very throaty sound. Overall, I believe that these go faster bits make this car look like a very smart package, but I just want to know from you, what do you think about the design of the 208? Let me know in the comment section below, and while you're at it, please like, share and subscribe. Do all of those YouTube things, I really do appreciate it. Moving to the interior of this car, and we can see where it is an undisputed champion. This interior is a class act. The materials are soft, the displays are clear and the design is very clean. My favorite part of this interior has to be the aircraft style switches. In a world where buttons are being replaced with infotainment systems, these ones are very cool and very easy to use because they are easily accessible. One thing I'm not a fan of, however, is how this beautiful multifunction steering wheel gets in the way of vital information which is displayed by your 3D iCockpit. Maybe with some proper adjustments on the seats this can be rectified, but thankfully this car does have electronic adjustment on the standard heated seats which come with massage function. The infotainment system in the GT model is a 10-inch screen which supports various forms of connectivity such as Bluetooth, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It is a very crisp system that shows no signs of lag or jerkiness, and I am very happy with how it works. Moving over to the back seats, and you'll find comfortable ones. They are very comfortable. I mean, another thing that Asian manufacturers can learn from Peugeot is how you just include these pouches behind both seats. So that is very essential. The one thing that I didn't understand from these back seats is the side pocket situation. I don't know if those are cup holders or not. And yeah, I'm happy with the fact that there are USB ports in the back over here, so it is comfortable for 2 adults, but I doubt it will be comfortable for 3. Moving over to the boot, and it measures in at 311 liters of space, making it have a median size of a boot over here because it is the same size as that of the Hyundai i20. I'm very happy with the fact that they included a light as well. However, there aren't any latches or anything like that in this boot. And I was surprised to find a temporary tire, a Murray biscuit, under the boot because the i20's got a full-sized one. But either way, at least you'll be able to get to your nearest tire shop and get that repaired. Overall, the boot is big enough for luggage of 4 people or your monthly grocery runs, depending on what you use it for. Moving under the hood, you have a 1.2-litre turbo petrol 3-cylinder unit which produces 96 kilowatts and 230 newton meters of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and is good for a 0 to 100 time of 8.8 seconds. Fuel consumption is rated at 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers. This is average for a car of this class, but considering the performance figures of this vehicle, it is more than acceptable. When you buy a new Peugeot 208, it comes standard with a 3-year 60,000 kilometer service plan and a 5-year 100,000 kilometer maintenance plan for peace of mind. Now, you might be asking yourself what the price of a car like this is. Well, when it comes to the model on screen, you are looking at a buying price of 459,000 Rand, but if you go to Westvaal Secunda, you can get that discount we spoke about of 40,000 Rand, bringing down the price to 419,000 Rand. If you finance that over 72 months at an interest rate of 10.5% with no deposits or no balloon payments, your monthly installment should come up to around 7,900 Rand a month. Add 2 full tanks and your monthly cost comes up to around 9,800 Rand a month. In conclusion, I'd like to say that the Peugeot 208 is a very compelling offering. Despite some of its shortcomings, there's no denying that it is a very premium package that punches way above its weight. So, what are your final thoughts on the Peugeot 208? Would you consider one, or would you look at one of its key rivals like the Hyundai i20 N line? Let me know in the comment section below. But once again, guys, thank you very much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until the next one, take care and stay driven.